Hi guys, it's Tasha. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the crib. For my returning, positive supporters and subscribers, welcome back. Come on in and get comfortable. Guys, today I went on a little run, and it's not much. I can promise you now that my Dollar Tree sucks. Every last one that I went to thoroughly sucks. Okay, so enough of that. I just got this little grouping of things that you see before you, and let's see, this is from Tuesday Morning, this is from Joanns, this is from Dollar Tree, and then these two things right here from Michael's. Michael's 20% off coupon was not enough for me to go shopping with, so that's why you only see two things from Michael's. But let's start with Tuesday Morning. I got this flower from Sizzix. Who's this man? David Tutera. I got the one that looks like succulents, and I saw this and I really like it, so I picked this one up. And I got the curling tool also, and I saw these two numbers with the blackouts or the shadows. This is Adventure and Cherish, so I got those two. Those are the only two that I saw while I was there, and that is from Tuesday Morning. Next is from Joanns, and these are the few things that I got at Joanns. I got these, and I haven't even taken the paper off. I got these because I want to use these to cover the covers, or to make covers for my journals. And I wanted to use fabric that you would put like on pillows and stuff. Screen print, I have no clue what that means. Yeah, I don't know anything about fabrics, all of that. But I just figured that if I got a fabric that you would use like to cover a pillow or furniture, that would be a little bit more durable. So I got this one. I got it because I actually like the earth tones, but I feel that it won't get as dirty over time. So that's that one. Let me get my scissors. I got this one as well. And they had another one that was like vintage, just a bunch of vintage, maybe postcards and stamps looking stuff. It's just but that one was all cream. And I just felt that would get dirty really fast. And here's another one, which is basically cream and will probably get dirty fast, but I'm not sure if I will use this on one, but I may. And here's that design on this fabric. See, that's number 2. I think I only got 3 rolls, right? I hope so. And I got this burlap. It was what, $1? It was $1.10, and then I paid half of that because everything in the little tray was half off. And I hope I'm not cutting this. Okay, and this is, like I said, this is just some burlap, and it's not much. That's why I got it, because I don't want to get like a full of, not a full, but a lot of fabrics when I'm not going to use it, because I could say, you know what, forget it, I'm not doing that, and then I'm going to be stuck with all this fabric. And then I got this, and I thought this was the cutest thing. I wish these were ruffles, but it's not. It's just the way that this is rolled up. I wonder if I can undo. You know what, I'm not going to trip. I'll just have to put a band on it or something, because I'll be here all day trying to figure out if I could get that off. Here we go. Let's get this off. And I just thought this fabric roll was to die for. Look at this. And oh my goodness, hold on. Let me see. Okay, we got these metallic-y fabrics here, which is just totally gorgeous. It's got the greeny gold in there. Oh yeah, metallic colors. This is a pretty one as well. And like I said, these are all like earth tones. And of course, this is all to be used in my junk journals. And I do want to do like a bohemian type one, but I want to, you know, I don't want to just jump out there and just go with stuff. I want to try it out first, you know what I mean? And this is a really pretty burnt orange. Come here, let's see. Looks like I have 2 strips of each. And this is a metallic one too, with the burnt orange looking flowers. Let's see, 2. These are so pretty. And they had a Christmassy one that I thought would have been pretty too, but I didn't want to get anything Christmas yet. I probably should have went on and got it because these were it was half off as well. Let's see, here we go. Like I said, all of these are really pretty. And the little specks are metallic specks in there. And this is the last one. There we go. And these are the things that I got from Joanns. Now let me move these and show you what came from Dollar Tree. And again, my Dollar Tree sucks. I got these garbage bags. Woohoo. I got these dowels. Yay. I got these gloves to clean with. But I got 6 of these things. And you said, Tasha, what in the ham and eggs are you going to do with those 6 trays? I've been seeing what people call rolling trays. And I'm going to try it out. I got the tray. I got the adhesive. My granddaughter has the epoxy. And I picked up these 2 glitters to try. So it's going to be I guess it's a rose gold one. And then this pink one. She likes pink. I'm not much of a pink girl. But I'm going to try to see if I can do a rolling tray. Ooh, I hope that's not blinding y'all. I'm going to see if I can create a rolling tray out of these. Just try to see how it come out. And if I like it, that may be part of my Christmas fair, my Christmas craft fair items if we have the craft fair. And those came from Dollar Tree. And the last couple of things, these came from Michael's. And like I said today, Michael's 20% is not enough for me to be buying anything, but I bought these because I really wanted to try to do the rolling trays, and I'm hoping these come excuse me, I'm hoping they come out okay. I'm going to get 2 of the jars, like the jars with the top on it, the plastic ones. So it'll be a jar, and then I got to find something else to go with this. So, you know, to make it a set. So, but that's what I'm going to do with those. And I will keep you guys informed, I guess. Or I would just do it on camera with you, and y'all can see my muck-ups and everything else. Just to let you guys know that I don't get stuff right on the first try. A lot of the times I'll mess up right in front of y'all and be like, oh, okay, we need to try it another way. But that's it, guys, for my little small haul for today. I want to thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch my video. Excuse me. If you haven't, I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. All your comments, I truly appreciate it. Come back anytime, and I see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, love bugs. And remember, still rule dies, still rule.